Hello again, everyone. Today's video is going to go over some vocabulary words on fractions. So why don't we go ahead and take a look at these now. So the first vocabulary word we have is denominator. And a denominator is a number and a fraction below the line, also called the divisor. So here, the denominator is number 4. Equal or equivalent, the same value as. And the example I have here is 1/2 is equal or equivalent to 3/6 or 3/6. Fraction, a part of a whole. And the example I have here is 1/2 of 6 equals 3 of 6 parts. Hundredth, when a whole is divided into 100 equal parts, each part is 1/100th, or 1/100 of the whole. And the example I have here shows what 1/100th looks like in a part here that's got 100 other pieces. Numerator. A numerator is the number above the line in a fraction. In the fraction 2/5, the 2 is the numerator. So as you can see here, 2 is the numerator in 2/5. Part, a piece or a fraction of a whole. And the example I have here says 1 part of 1/3 of the whole. Percent, or percentage part of a whole. Percent is per hundred. So by the meaning of per hundred, I've got here 25% is equal to 25/100. Whole, something that is complete. It has all its parts. So in this example here, I've got a circle that's 3/3, which equals 1 whole. So can you think of any other vocabulary words for fractions? If so, please leave a comment down below. So that's today's lesson, and I thought I'd give you some visual aids to go along with the definitions on fractions here. So that'll be it for today's video, and as always, thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.